Welcome to my channel, and today is going to be another fall palette series. And what would a fall palette series be without the Colourpop Gather Around Sisters palette? Watched Hocus Pocus 2 yesterday, really enjoyed it. And here's what the inside of this beautiful palette looks like. Just all the fun berry shades, some awesome grungy greens, and just a couple neutral browns, and there's some sparkle in here. So this is a really fun palette. I really enjoy it. And I'm thinking I'm probably gonna do a bit of a maybe berry tone look today. I don't know, it's kind of what's jumping out to me. We'll see what happens. I'm going to start with this shade on Toast right here, just for the crease shade. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the shade Night of Frolic. And yesterday I went with my BFF and I had like an intuitive reading done. I'm not really even sure how to explain it. I just know that that's what it was called. And it kind of like really helped, I guess, confirm some things that I had kind of been saying, and that like I know my BFF like told me a lot of the stuff too. And just, I don't know. I definitely, you know, like the main thing, you know, that came out of it was like I need to focus on me and not let like the outside things like get to me. And I need to focus on my mom. And something came out about the job thing. And I hope that part was wrong, because I really need to get out of my current job, and I am still going to try and make it happen. But I just know, like, she was saying, you know, maybe right now is not the best time to do it, like, stay where I'm at, but I really don't want to do that, and if I do that, I won't be able to go, like, on my honeymoon, even though it was just a couple days. It would require me to take time off work, and that's something that is, like, impossible for me to do. So I'm hoping that I can still make that part work out, and, yeah, just, I don't know, but the rest, like, yeah, I definitely am going to be focusing on me, my mom, you know, just getting through the holidays and just kind of, like, seeing what happens, after that. So, now I'm really wanting to go in with a green shade, but I've done so many green looks, so I keep telling myself, no, don't do a green, no green, no green. Let's do the shade Thackeray Binks. But like one thing that did happen though yesterday, there were a couple things in the reading like that she really like hit on that there's no way she could have known. But one of them was about someone in my family who is really not a good person, and this person recently popped up out of the blue, and she said, you know, beware, because he's going to be coming back, and, you know, it's going to be around the holidays. And I was like, well, you know, he was just here, but he left, whatever. And, and then we're on the way home, and my BFF is like, yeah, so-and-so actually posted that he's going to be coming up every couple weekends, you know, I guess during the next couple months. And I was like, oh, God, you know, like really worried. But this is also someone who like talks a big talk but doesn't walk the walk, so you can never really believe anything that that is said. But yeah, I'm hoping that's not true, because that is not what any of us need right now. Okay, I'm gonna do the lower lash line. I kind of want to do the shade Bewitched on the lower lash line, so I get like a little bit of green, but not too much, and we're just kind of gonna see what happens. It's very, very smoky look today. I'm going to go in with the shade Yabos right here, because this is just such a pretty green shade. Okay, so I am back, and this is the final look. And this is just a really fun, grungy, berry tone look with a little pop of green on the lower lash line, and I absolutely love how it turned out. And it was with the Colourpop Hocus Pocus Gather Round Sisters palette. This is just a really, really fun palette. I love it. I need to use it more. And my lip today is the NYX Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream in the shade Fuzzy Slippers. You can kind of see a little bit more of what a shade it is right there. And again, these are perfect for fall. They have a lot of deep berry tone shades, some deep brown shades, some more neutral shades. Just beautiful, comfortable lip to wear. Lasts very, very well. So pick these up. They smell awesome too. They just smell so good. Just like a sweet kind of like, I don't know, to me it kind of smells like frosting, or like a really sweet, like a cake or something, but they smell really good. They're beautiful, wear well, they're comfortable, they eventually dry down, but not like 100%, but also not to where like if you take a drink or something it's gonna come off. So I really enjoy them. That is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.